Welcome to another CMD tutorial, and in this video I'm going to show you how to delete a file in CMD. Alright, it is actually pretty easy to do. As you can see here, we have two dummy files right here, which is a text file and a folder. But what we're going to do to delete it is just go ahead over to CMD, click on it, now open. Now let's go ahead and navigate to this directory. Alright, first up, as you can see here, we are on C, OneDrive. Yours might be different. You should be able to just type in cd desktop. All right, hit on enter. Now we are on the desktop. So what we're going to do to delete this file, all right, just type in del, then the file name, which is delete me dot text extension, or the file type. All right, once done, just hit on enter and wait for it. As you can see, it's gone. Now what we're going to do to delete a folder, for example, this one right here. And as you might notice, there's one file right here. What we're going to do is just type in, for example, rd / right here, S and Q. S removes all directories and files in the specified directory in addition to the directory itself. It is used to remove a directory tree. All right, just do note, all of these commands right here deletes the file or folder permanently. That is similar to like using the shift delete on your keyboard. All right, again, let's type in rmdir, which means remove directory. Now space, delete me, and again space, then /s. Once done, just hit on enter. As you can see here, there's a prompt. Are you sure you want to delete this folder? Just type in Y for yes and N for no. Let's just hit on enter right here and wait for it. As you can see, it's now gone. And that's basically how you delete a file or folder using CMD. Well, I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.